Behind a strong woman, there is a story that leaves her with no choice. They are far from being perfect. They are far from perfection, but good Lord, they are worth it. There's a difference between a woman and a lady. You can date a lady, but it's difficult to date a woman. Umfazi into ekwazi ungena kwi-relationship mayiqeda ithi ngicela siyifihle i-relationship yethu because ngihlonipha abantwana bami. Umfazi into ekwazi ukufaka iringi while she's going through the divorce. Mabembuza abantu ukuthi kuhamba njani athi all is well. By that time she's going through the divorce. Into ekhulisa abantwana. Umfazi into ekwazi uthwala imbawula itete umntana iyothengisa inkukhu. Umfazi into ekwazi udatshukelwa ngamathayithi idatshukelwa ngopitikothi for ukuthi umntana aphathe idiploma nedegree agqoke iNike esicathu. It is a woman's day, it's not a ladies' day. Abafani labantu boyithu. Umfazi into esacrificeayo, inyembe zibe ninzi kuyo, but kuhleka abantwana. It is a woman's day, and bomama, happy Women's Day.